Hello viewers, today we will discuss concept of rent. What is rent or concept of rent? In economics, rent refers to the payment made for the use of scarce resource such as land, buildings or capital goods. Mean rent when we will pay for a rent of land, rent of buildings, rent or rent of capital goods, we can say that this is a rent. Rent is a payment for the opportunity to use a resource and it is not a payment for the resource itself. According to Adam Smith is the modern economist. He says that economics, the father of modern economics, defined rent as the payment made for the use of land in his seminal work The Wealth of Nations. The Wealth of Nations is the book of Adam Smith. Smith argued that rent is the component of the price of goods and services and is determined by the market forces of supply and demand. Examples of rent in economics. Land rent. A farmer pays rent to a landowner for the use of their land to grow crops. Second one is building rent. A tenant pays rent to a landlord for the use of their apartment or office space. Third one is capital rent. A company pays rent to use a piece of equipment such as a machine or a computer. Fourth number is resource rent. A mining company pays rent for the use of mineral resources in the earth.